morning, one and all. My name is Dhanlakshmi. I am studying Aksara Techno Degree College, final year, 5th semester, BSc Zoology. The speak about Indian major crops, one type of fish, Katla. The order is Cypriniformes. The class is Cyprinidia. Common name is Katla. The Katla is particularly found in rivers and freshwater bodies. These are mostly present in India, Nepal, Bangladesh, and Myanmar. The body shape is deep body and broad head. Next, the mouth is large and upturned. The scales are cycloid scales. Next, the dorsal fins are the Katla body color is silver and greyish. Fins are black. Next, the Katla length is 182 centimeters. The maximum weight up to 38.6 kgs. The mature individuals breeds in rivers. The spawn in rivers. The dorsal fins are located in 4 unbranched and 14 to 15 branched. Next, the anal fins are 3 unbranched and 5 branched fins are located in anal fin. The caudal fins are present in 19 to 21 fins. Next, the Katla was breeds in 1 to 4.2 millions of eggs in a year. Thank you.